You want to burn fat fast. Not in 6 months, not with complicated gym machines, not with boring cardio that drains your soul. You want something simple, effective, and doable at home. Here's the truth. Fat loss doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right movements with the right intensity. And today, you're about to learn 10 simple bodyweight exercises that can transform your body if you actually push yourself. No equipment, no excuses, just you versus gravity. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 most effective bodyweight fat-burning exercises, how to structure them into a fast routine, how to maximize fat burn without long cardio, and the biggest mistakes that secretly slow your progress. This isn't random jumping around. This is strategic fat-burning training. Ready? How this works. Quick framework. You'll perform each exercise for 30 to 40 seconds work, 15 to 20 seconds rest. Complete all 10 exercises, rest 1 to 2 minutes, repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Total time, 20 to 25 minutes. Fat burn effect, hours after you finish. Now let's break down the 10 movements. 1. Jump squats. This is your metabolism starter. Why it works? It combines strength plus explosive power. You recruit glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. Big muscles mean big calorie burn. How to do it? Squat down, explode up, land softly. Go immediately into the next rep. Push the pace. Feel your heart rate climb. 2. Push-ups. Upper body fat burn starts here. Push-ups don't just build chest, they activate shoulders, triceps, and core. More muscle engagement means more energy demand. Keep your body straight, lower with control, explode up. If regular push-ups are too easy, slow them down. Control increases intensity. 3. Mountain climbers. Now we increase the engine. Mountain climbers are controlled chaos. Hands under shoulders, drive knees fast, keep hips low. Don't just go fast, stay tight. You're turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. 4. High knees. This is where conditioning kicks in. High knees force your cardiovascular system to work. Pump arms, drive knees, stay light on your feet. Imagine sprinting in place. The goal? Breathing heavy. Fat burn lives there. 5. Plank shoulder taps. Now we challenge stability. Hold a plank, tap opposite shoulder, alternate. This trains anti-rotation core strength. Your abs aren't built by crunches, you're built by resisting movement. Stay controlled, no hip swaying. This builds strength and burns. 6. Reverse lunges, alternating. Single leg work equals higher demand. Step back, lower down, drive through the front heel. This hits glutes hard, and strong glutes increase metabolic output. Don't rush, own each rep. 7. Burpees. Yes, burpees. You don't like them, that's why they work. Squat, kick back, push up, jump. Full body, maximum output. This spikes your heart rate fast. Fat burn is not about comfort. 8. Bicycle crunches. Core rotation time. Lie back, opposite elbow to knee, switch. Twist with control. This hits obliques and deep core muscles. Don't yank your neck, move from your torso. 9. Glute bridge pulses. Now we fire the posterior chain again. Lie down, drive hips up, pulse at the top. Squeeze hard. Glutes are the largest muscle group in your body. Train them and you increase calorie demand. 10. Body weight squat hold. We finish with tension. Hold the bottom squat position. Thighs parallel, chest up, core tight. Isometric holds increase muscular endurance. More endurance equals better performance equals more fat burn. Stay there, embrace the burn. How to structure this for fast results. If you want real fat loss, do this workout 4 to 5 times per week. Combine it with high-protein meals, a slight calorie deficit, and 7+ hours sleep. Fat loss is not magic, it's consistency. And this routine works because it builds muscle, elevates heart rate, creates afterburn effect, targets full body, no wasted movements. Common mistakes. Let's fix what most people do wrong. Mistake 1, going too easy. If you can talk comfortably, you're not pushing hard enough. Fat burn requires intensity. Push your limits safely. Mistake 2, doing endless cardio. Hours on the treadmill? Unnecessary. Strategic, high-intensity bodyweight training is more time-efficient. Train smarter, not longer. Mistake 3, ignoring diet. You cannot out-train bad eating. You don't need extreme dieting. Just control portions, increase protein, reduce processed junk. Simple. Mistake 4, skipping rest days. Recovery matters. Muscle repair increases metabolism. Train hard, recover harder. Mistake 5, inconsistency. Doing this once won't change you. Doing this for 8 weeks, it will. The difference? Discipline. If this helped you understand how to burn fat effectively at home, hit the like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe for workouts that are simple, science-backed, and actually work. And comment below, are you starting today or Monday? Because the best time to start isn't Monday, it's now. Train hard, stay consistent, burn fat fast. See you in the next workout.